Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Slack on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So, at first, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. Just maximize this. Then in the search bar, type for Slack, S-L-A-C-K, and hit enter. And after that, it will load all the apps. Just go to the first one, which is Slack, and just give it some time to load. And then you have to just click on Get. Then just give it some time. It will download and install the Slack software on your system. And there you go. Slack has been installed. You can just click on it and then just give it some time. It will open. And there you go. You can also use Slack in your browser, but using the app has its own benefits. So basically that is how to download and install the Slack app on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.